If you are the person who wakes up at literally every sound, you've probably tried every kind of earplug that there is and regular earbuds, and you know that nothing is comfortable enough to actually sleep in at night. I finally got my hands on the new Ozlo Sleep Buds too, and these are not regular earbuds, okay? These are specifically designed for sleep. These are so tiny and soft that I don't feel them at all, and I sleep on my side. Also, you can customize the sides, by the way, to fit your ear. They don't cancel noise completely. They replace it with this steady sound so your brain stops reacting to every little thing. And they can tell when you fall asleep. So if I fall asleep watching a show, they automatically switch to a sleep sound once I'm out. And the battery lasts the entire night. If you're a light sleeper, just trust me, these are different from everything else you've probably tried. You've got to check them out.